What if I told you that the photos you deleted from your iPhone months ago are still there, and you can get them back in minutes? Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about Stellar iPhone Data Recovery Software. This is a software that allows you to recover different types of data from an iPhone. Especially in this video, we will show photo recovery, but you can actually recover many other types of data as well. You can see various file types and storage options here. For example, text messages, iPhone contacts, voice memos, call history, Safari bookmarks, and many more. You can recover a lot of things using this software. First, you need to download the software. I already have it downloaded, so I will go directly to the application. When you open the app, you will see an interface like this. Here, you can see options for iTunes and iPhone or iPad. Now, we are going to connect our iPhone 13 Pro Max. After connecting, you need to unlock the phone. I have unlocked it, and as you can see, the phone is now connecting and showing the connecting status. Once the connection is complete, you need to choose what you want to do. I selected the iPhone option, and here you can see the available recovery categories: camera roll, photo stream, app library, messages and chats, notes and reminders, voice memos, calendar, bookmarks, contacts, and call logs. Basically, you can recover everything. Recovering all data takes a lot of time, so for testing purposes, I will select only the camera roll. I will try to recover a few photos. After clicking Next, the software starts scanning, and you must keep the phone unlocked during this process. The device is being scanned, and this can take quite some time. As you can see, it is showing an estimated time of 1 hour and 19 minutes. This is because I have 128 gigabytes of data on my phone, and scanning everything deeply takes time. After the scan is fully completed, we will come back and check how much data has been recovered. Okay, as you can see, the initial scan has been completed. The software also offers a deep scan option, but since the video would become very long, we are skipping that option. After that, you can see that the software found 2,395 photos from my camera roll that were previously deleted. From here, I can restore any photo I want. For example, everything is selected by default, so I uncheck the main selection and choose a specific photo. After selecting the photo, when I click on Save, it asks me to choose a folder. I open a folder, and when I go there, you can see that the recovered photos have appeared. Pretty much the same process applies to other data types as well. There is also a deep scan option available, and you can select other categories if you want. When you select them, the recovered data appears here. This is a very effective software, as you can clearly see the number of recovered photos here. I hope you are enjoying the video. If you visit their website, you will see that they also have premium plans. You can download the software for free, but there are paid premium plans available as well. As you can see, the premium plans include a standard package for $40, another package for $50, and a $150 package. The features are listed there, and you can choose according to your needs. The software link is provided in the description box. Please visit the link.